Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G82, and I'll show you how to change icons shape with X icon changer app on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store application, and after that here under the search we'll enter the X icon changer. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that just tap here to open the app. After that you'll see here all the applications, and you can select one from these apps to change the icon. For example, I'll go with this one. Here we can see just different folders with the icons. You can select one from these icons, or also we can use our photo from our device gallery just previously taken on our device camera or downloaded from the internet, or also you can use the camera right now just to take a picture. So let's just use the default one, so I'll use this icon. Just click on the right upper corner to OK.
Hello Dave, how you doing?
Just we should wait a little bit to skip these videos. Just click here to OK, and now tap here to add to home screen. After that we can go to the desktop or to change the next icon by the same way. So let's just go to the home screen here, and now we can see here the look of new phone icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.